Welcome to this detailed guide on adding a custom project type in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress and customize your portfolio section by creating a new project type. The instructions cover the entire process, starting from logging into your WordPress account and proceeding until you have successfully created a custom project type in your portfolio. Each step is designed to be clear and easy to follow, ensuring that even those with little technical experience can complete the process. Begin by opening your WordPress website in a browser. Once the site has loaded, locate the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the login area takes you to a secure authentication screen where you will look for a convenient option labeled Continue with Google. This method streamlines your login process as it allows you to select your preferred Google account. Simply choose your account and proceed. This will grant you immediate access to your WordPress dashboard. After you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the portfolio section of your website. In your dashboard, find the menu that provides access to your portfolio items and click on it. You are now in the space where you manage all your portfolio entries. From here, the goal is to navigate to the project types area. Look closely at the available tabs until you see the one labeled for project types and click on it. This section is designed to help you organize your portfolio by categorizing your projects in a way that best reflects the structure of your work. Within the project types area, you will encounter a form where you must enter details for your new project type. The first field asks you to add a name. It is important to choose a name that is both descriptive and concise, as this name will be used across your site to identify projects falling under this category. Think of it as a label that immediately communicates the purpose of the content it is applied to. After ensuring the name is appropriate, you move on to the next field, which invites you to add a description of your new project type. This description allows you to provide additional context and clarification about the type of projects you plan to include. For instance, if your project type is focused on showcasing creative work, such as illustrations or design projects, your description should reflect that focus, helping both site visitors and administrators understand the content associated with this category. Once you have carefully entered both the name and the description, the process concludes by clicking on the button that finalizes the addition of your new project type. This action integrates the custom project type into your portfolio section immediately. The design of this system ensures that as soon as you save, your WordPress site updates to include the newly added category, making it ready for you to assign projects to it. Each of these steps flows logically into the next, providing a smooth experience from start to finish. By following this guide carefully and entering your information correctly, you not only customize your portfolio but also enhance how your content is managed and displayed on your WordPress site. Enjoy the new flexibility and organization this feature offers, and feel free to explore further customization options within your WordPress settings for an even better website experience.